Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to be talking all about eyebrows. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, please keep watching. Okay, so eyebrows. Eyebrows are the most important thing on your face. If you ever look at somebody and think they are attractive, look at their eyebrows. Kardashians, for example. Yeah, whatever, you might not like them, but look at their eyebrows. They have beautiful, thick, full eyebrows. They're nice and long, they're gorgeous. Now on the other fence, look at somebody and think, wow, maybe they're not that attractive. What's off about this person? What's just off about their face? Look at their eyebrows. For whatever reason, they plucked them off, they didn't grow back, whatever. They just have very little thin nothings, and it's just not cute. Eyebrows shape the face. They are so very, very important. So with that, we're going to talk about, I have been using the Lash Boost by Roden & Fields, and it has made a big difference in my eyebrows. I have seen them grow. I've only been doing it on my eyebrows, and I love it. So I would recommend this if you want your eyebrows to grow. This is it. Also, there is like microblading and lots of tattooing. There's tons of other things to get you to have permanent eyebrows if you don't want to pencil them in every day. But mine aren't that bad, so I just need a little bit more filling in and shaping. A few more things is products. We have pencils, we have pomades, and we also have eyeshadows. An eyeshadow would work perfect. What I suggest is something that's always ash hair. If you have dark hair's easy. You can just do black and you won't look crazy. If you have blonde hair, you have to really be careful about not going overboard and looking wild. So I always suggest for the blondies or lighter hair girls to use a taupe color, something that is ashy. You always want an ashier tone. You do not want to look, or you do not want to have warm tones. It just will not look right. So also, where should they start? Where should they end? How should they be shaped? At the end of your nose goes straight up, and that's where you generally want to start. I can't even begin to tell you how many girls I see, they are just pluck happy and their brows start like here. You want to start here, and then you want to end about there. Now, as you can see, I could go a little bit longer, but that's where you want to stay. You want to stay in this range here to here. You definitely don't want to go past there. You don't want to be going into the side of your face, but the longer, the fuller, the better. So let me move you in closer and let's see. Comb them up. Even though they won't stay, I still comb them up. Next thing I do, either with a pencil or a pomade, I always do a line here underneath, almost like here up to here, because you want your arch here. Now some people have an arch here, some people have an arch more at the end. Whichever shape that you have, just kind of follow that archway. So, but straight line here, and then a straight line going up. Need to double check. Then once you're at the top of this, you want to go down. And you can take this as high as you want to go. You can have that arch go woo, but you know, come on. Let's keep it a little normal. Now, as you can see, looking straight into my eyes, is that I do not have a lot of space between my eyes and my eyebrows. I just don't. So I cannot fill in really underneath, because then I'm going to lose all that space. I have to fill in above. So that's something too that you just need to practice with. Like, a lot of people have more space than me, so they can do more. So you can fill it in with your pencil, or you can try your pomade. So I'm just going to dip a little bit on an angled brush. Hello, get it together. Here's my angled brush. It's manipulating the hair to go up, because my hair just wants to go down. And then this, as you can see, is where it needs the most filling in, because the hairs want to drop down. Now you don't want to go too crazy. So it's important to keep running your spoolie through it. That way you don't get too much product and get it too clumpy. Then back away. Now, as you can see, here's one eyebrow that doesn't have anything. Here is one that does. So it changes your face. It's not like this one was hideous, but you know, this one just has a little bit more. But you have to be careful because you don't want to go too thick. Again, it depends on your facial shape, but you just don't want to go too thick. So now that I have my product on, I want to set them. And I also want to clean up anything that I might have just missed. So you can take your concealer, and what you're going to want to do is go underneath where you penciled your eyebrow. So you're going to want to start very lightly here. There's not a ton. As you can see, there's not a ton of product, but I'm just kind of outlining my eyebrows. This is an extra step. You do not need to do this. If you want to be extra, do this step. But if you don't, skip it. You don't need it. And then we're going to blend it in with a brush. Okay, so I have done my concealer underneath, and I did do a little bit on the top and bottom. Like I said before, you don't need to do this step. If you want it with a little powder, you can. It just helps carve out and shape it even more. That's the whole purpose of this. Especially somebody like me. Somebody like me doesn't have a lot of space. That way, it's just the eyebrows are more defined, and if any of the eyeshadow just got a little too high, you took that away. Okay, setting these bad boys is a must. So you can use anything from clear mascara to clear brow gel. You can even do a little hairspray on a spoolie and kick it back. I usually always use a clear mascara or a clear brow gel. It's just something I use. It's cheap. One of my friends, I went out this weekend, and she had the Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I've always wanted to try it, but that's $20, and I just think that that's crazy for eyebrows. So I tried it. It's nothing. It is nothing special. I thought it was going to be way different than like my Maybelline clear gel. And it's not. It's like the same stuff. So it's nice that I got to try that because I would have never known had I had bought it. And $20 on eyebrow gel for them babies to not stay. All right, so what I do if I want to use the Mascara Wand Clear Brow Gel, I just comb through. Combing up, I comb them up, and then I kind of just go over. Now, sometimes if I'm feeling really crazy, I will even use the hairspray. So what I do is I take my spoolie and I hit it with some hairspray. Extra hold if you have it. And again, go right over that and let them babies lay down. I hope this video helped. This video was really for girls who their eyebrows really don't grow. They've stopped growing. Maybe you're elderly, whatever. This is not for the girls who can't keep up with their eyebrows. It's just, this is for people who need a little extra help. So my advice would be to you is to lay off, try the Lash Boost if you can afford it. Get yourself some products, try it out before bed. That way if it doesn't look, it looks crazy, wipe it off, hit the hay. So I hope this video helped. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down below. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.